What's up, YouTube? I'm Jonathan, and this is Cooking with the Cooks. Today we'll be making Christmas sugar cookies. If you want to see how to make it, then keep watching. First, beat butter and sugar in a mixing bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then all of the sugar. Okay.
Get closer.
I do. It's snowing.
Okay.
Next, add vanilla extract and 1 egg. Continue to beat. Yeah, I've never cracked an egg in so long. Once butter mix is combined, slowly add flour and report. On a lightly floured surface, roll dough flat, about 1/4 thick. The whole piece. That's stuck. Use your favorite cookie cutters to cut cookies. The tree I'm picking is the Christmas tree because it's almost Christmas. The candy cane because it looks like a J. And the sweater because it's the biggest. Place cookies on a baking sheet with parchment paper and bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. The cookies are done when the edges are golden brown, like this. But let the cookies cool for at least 5 minutes before decorating them. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.